All right, good morning on this Saturday morning. So, had a mishap on my Nissan truck, and I broke the tail light, and I wish I could learn how to turn this thing around. It won't let me turn around once I start recording. How you like that? Apples. Anyway, so broke the tail light. I had scrubbed it against a pole. You can kind of see it there at the bottom. A long time ago, but I didn't break it. Well, this time I actually hit it with a piece of steel unloading from my handy dandy rack up there, and swung around and caught the tail light and busted it. So I bought some new ones. And here's what the new one looks like. Kind of next to the before and after. A little bit cheaper than factory. Definitely cooler looking, right? So there's what it looked like, and what it looked like before. Bright red. So I got one on here, and I thought I'd start up the truck and see if we can see what they look like. So I'll show you a difference. All right, hang on. So this is headlights on, flasher on. Yeah, check that out. Headlights on, lights up for the whole. That is really pretty cool. I'm guessing this is a reflector, maybe. I thought this would light up too down here. Play with some more switches. I mean, just looking at the two different flashers, that seems to be way better. And that little tiny bulb down here on the bottom. That's the reverse light on. Headlights on. And the headlights, you see that bottom lens. So obviously reverse. That's reverse. Not bad. And there's the finished look. I'll try and take a video of it tonight and see what it looks like at night. They look pretty cool. I like them. I like them a lot. I think they kind of add to the whole black and white theme of the truck. So now I need to find me a stick or a baseball bat so I can break a lens up here, because these in the blackout version are really cool. I think it's a more modern view of it. I mean, they're not really damaged yet. They're starting to oxidize up here where the sun's, you can kind of see it sort of yellowing, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, see how it doesn't reflect? It's not clear. I mean, other than being just bug guts and pitted a little bit, it's still a good headlight. But you know, if I do the headlights, then I want to black out that. It never ends. Bye.